we have equation, a differential equation marked as star. Let us solve this differential equation. First we evaluate the contributing factor, and for that we take this part, and this part can be rewritten as d square plus 4 into y. Okay, and to get the contributing factor we take this part, and this will be m square plus 4 equals to 0, and this will give us m equals to plus minus 2 iota, and so our contributing factor will be a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Okay, now we go for the pi, the particular integral. For that pi we take pi equals to now for the pi I write in red. Okay, pi, for the pi we take this part sin ax, and this part will be in the denominator, so pi will be d square plus 4. Okay, now there will be two cases, and for that I write here, here will be case 1, here will be case 2. Okay, in case 1 we take mod a is not equal to 2. When mod a is not equal to 2, then pi will be very easily obtained, and for that sin we have to write sin ax, and the d will be replaced by a iota, so here will be a iota square plus 4, so our pi will be in this case sin ax by 4 minus a square. Okay, now case 2, when mod a equals to 2, then in that case our pi will be sin, and mod a equals to 2 means a equals to plus minus 2, so here will be plus minus sin 2x by d square plus 4. And to solve this one we have to use the exponential function. Here im means imaginary part, e to the power 2x by d square plus 4, and that can be further written as plus minus imaginary part, and here e to the power 2x, and the denominator can be rewritten as d minus 2 iota, and here will be d plus 2 iota. Okay, now we do the work. Here will be here will be iota. Okay, iota. Okay, now we work for this part. First, for this part you see in the blue enclosure, and performing for this we have plus minus imaginary part, and here will be e to the power iota 2x by, and here this d will be replaced by 2 iota, so here will be 4 iota, and here will be d minus 2 iota. Now we do for this part we do the work for this part. I show you in red this part, and for this part d will be replaced by d plus 2 iota, and here accordingly I write here okay, to avoid the here I write, see here I write the next step here, plus minus e to the power I 2x iota 2x by 4i, and here will be d plus 2 iota, d will be replaced by d plus 2 iota, and minus 2 iota is already there. So and here will be im means imaginary part. So plus minus imaginary part of e to the power iota 2x into 1 by d, here will be 4 iota, 1 by d into, here you can take 1. Okay, 1 by d into 1, it means that we have to integrate 1. Okay, so here will be plus minus im e to the power iota 2x by 4i, and 1 by d into 1, that will be x. So now I have to evaluate the imaginary part of this. So for that I have to clean some part of this screen. So I clean here. Okay, I have cleaned. Now let us expand e to the power iota 2x. That will give us plus minus im e to the power e to the power iota 2x can be written as e to the cos 2x plus I sin 2x by 4 iota, and there is 1x here. Okay, so imaginary part of this one will be the same as cos 2x into x by 4i, and this can be further multiplied by iota, and here we finally get x cos 2x by minus 4. Okay, and this will be minus plus x cos 2x by 4. Okay, so whatever I have written on the screen, I can write now the whole thing in a clear way, and that is our solution. That solution is y x equals to a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, thereafter plus sin ax by 4 minus a square. This solution is valid when a is not mod a is not equal to 2, and when mod a equals to 2, then the solution is a cos 2x plus b sin 2x minus there is minus plus, I think this is the thing, x cos 2x by 4 when a mod a equals to 2. Now we choose the correct option. Now see the first option. In the first option there is all solutions of star means the differential equation given in the question are periodic for every choice of a. It is not correct, because if I take see the question, if I write in red y x equals to, I take a equals to 0. Okay, then b equals to suppose 1, so this will be sin 2x, and a small a, I take a small a equals to over root 2, so this will be sin root 2x by 2. Okay, but you know this function is not a periodic function. This is a periodic function, this is also the periodic function, but sum of these two periodic function is not a periodic function, because here you see 2, and here you see over root 2. Due to these two numbers, one is rational, other is irrational, this whole function is not a periodic function. So our option A is wrong. Okay, one is rational and other is irrational number, so our option A is wrong. Now option B, all solutions of a star are periodic for every choice of A, which is which belongs to real number excluding -2 and 2. If you take the same, I mean yx that I written previously, what was that? Was yx equal to sine 2x and minus plus x, sorry, x not x, see this one, a equals to suppose over root 2 x, and here will be then 2. So I have taken a according to this condition, and according to this condition, this I can take this function yx, but I have already explained that this function is not a periodic, so this is wrong. Okay, this option B is wrong. Now the third, here you see, we have to take all rational numbers. We may take all rational numbers excluding -2 and 2. For that the solution is this one. Okay, and you know this is a periodic function because here you see rational number, here rational number, and here a is also rational number, because you see in this q is a rational number. So if there is a sine cos function with a rational number coefficient, then the whole function will be periodic. So C is correct. And D, in D you have to take only irrational number. For that we have to take the first function, this function. Okay, in this function if you take yx equals to capital A, suppose capital A is 0, then this will be 0, this will be 0, and here it will be, suppose you take A equals to over root 2, then sine root 2x by 4 minus 2. And you know this is a periodic function because there is no two types of number. Here you see only one type, that is irrational number. So if you take capital A, capital B equals to 0, then yx will be sine ax by 4 minus a square. For every irrational number a, this function is a periodic function, and so it is a unique solution because in this case we have taken A and B, both capital A and capital B equals to 0. Okay, now this question is over. So our question option D is correct. Correct options are C and D.